Service in Upton, New York has issued a tornado warning for
TOR.
Central Suffolk County in southeastern New York, East Central Nassau County in southeastern New York until 3:30 p.m. At 2:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located.
Tornado warning.
Moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Farmingdale around 3 p.m. Plainview and Melville around 3:05 p.m. Huntington Station and Deer Park around 3:10 p.m. Huntington and Dix Hills around 3:15 p.m.
Here's the score.
Cormac and Centerport around 3:20 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.